Shripati Pandit Radhula Balasubramaniam, also referred to as SP Balu, SPB or Balu, was an Indian musician, playback singer, music director, actor, dubbing artist and film producer who worked predominantly in Telugu, Kannada, Hindi and Malayalam films. He sang over 40,000 songs in 16 languages. Here is the history of SP Balasubramaniam. SPB was born in Nellore, Madras Presidency, present-day Andhra Pradesh, to the Telugu Brahmin family. His father, SP Sambamurthy, was an Harikatha artist who had also acted in plays. His mother was Sakuntala Amma, who died on 4 February 2019. He had 2 brothers and 5 sisters, including SP Sailaja. His son, SP Charan, is also a popular South Indian singer and actor and a producer. Balasubramaniam developed an interest in music at an early age, studied musical notations and learned music. He enrolled to GNTU, College of Engineering, Anantapur, with the intention of becoming an engineer. He discontinued his studies early due to typhoid and joined to an associated number of Institution of Engineering, Chennai. He continued to pursue music during his engineering studies and won awards at singing competitions. In 1964, he won the first prize in music competition for amateur singers organized by Madras-based Telugu Culture Organization. He was the leader of light music troupe composed by Aniruddha on the harmonium, Ilayaraja on the guitar and later on harmonium, Bhaskar on percussion, and Gangai Amaran on guitar. He was selected as the best singer in a singing competition which was judged by SP Kondandabani and Ghantasala, often visiting music composers seeking opportunity. His first audition song was Nilave Ennidam Nerungade. It was recommended by veteran playback singer P.B. Srinivasan, who used to write and give him multiple lingual verses in Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, Kannada, Malayalam, Sanskrit and Urdu. SP Balasubramaniam made his debut as a playback singer on 15 December 1966 with Sri 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 Maryada Ramana, a Telugu film scored by his mentor SP Kondantabani. The first non-Telugu song that he recorded just 8 days after his debut. Telugu song was Kannada in 1966 for the film Nakre Ade Swaga, starring Kannada comedy Swale T.R. Narasimha Raju. He recorded the first Tamil song Athanod Ippadi Inde Athanalacha, duet with Elladishwari, under musical direction of M.S. Vishwanathan for the film Hotel Ramba, which was never released. Over early songs he sang with P. Shushila, Iyarkai Ennum Ilayakani in 1969 film Shanti Nilayam, starring Gemini Ganeshan, and Ayiram Nilaveva for M.G. Ramachandran in Adimai Pen. His first song with S. Janaki was Paurnami Nilavil Panivilum Iravil in Kanipen. He was introduced to Malayalam film industry by the G. Devarajan in the film Kadal Palam. He won 6 National Film Awards for the Best Male Playback Singer for his works in 4 different languages: Kannada, Telugu, Tamil and Hindi. 25 Andhra Pradesh State Nandi Awards for his work in Telugu cinema and numerous other state awards from Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. In addition, he won the Filmfare Award and his 6th Filmfare Award South. According to some sources, he held the Guinness World Record for recording the highest number of songs by a singer with over 40,000 songs. In 2012, he received the State NTR National Award for his contribution to Indian cinema. In 2016, he was honored with the Silver Peacock Medal as an Indian Film Personality of the Year. He was recipient of Padma Shri in 2001 and Padma Bhushan in 2011 from the Government of India. In 25 September 2020, he died in Chennai after suffering from the COVID-19. Death of Balasubramaniam. On 5th August 2020, Balasubramanian tested positive on COVID-19 and was admitted to MGM Healthcare in Chennai. Subsequently, his health deteriorated and he was shifted to the intensive care unit in a critical state. He required a ventilator and ECMO support. His son Charan provided periodic updates over social media while members of Tamil film industries engaged in a mass prayer via Zoom on 2020 August, and candlelight vigils were held by fans outside the hospital. On 7 September 2020, Balasubramanian tested negative for coronavirus. Although he remained using ventilator and ECMO, he started showing signs of recovery, including light speech and physical activities. However, the hospital released a statement on 24 September 2020 stating that he became extremely critical and was on maximal life support. He died on 25 September 2020 at 1:04 p.m. IST of cardiopulmonary arrest after over a month-long hospitalization. Thank you friends. Meet you tomorrow with an interesting fact. Bye.